Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Our today's topic is Terza Rima. Terza Rima is a rhyming verse form. It is a kind of stanza used by poets in their poetry. This stanza form is very important for competitive exam in English literature. This stanza form is often asked in Tercet exam. So, friends, watch the video till the end. So, Terza Rima. Terza Rima, you know that there are so many stanza form of stanza or verse form in English literature. Of them, Terza Rima is one. What is Terza Rima? A stanza pattern. It is a stanza pattern composed of tercets. Tercet means triplet, a 3-line stanza. Tercet, composed of tercets. A stanza pattern composed of tercets which are interlinked in that each tercet is joined to one following by a common rhyme scheme. For example, ABA, BCB, CDC and continue. This is called Terza Rima. So, let me explain it. Terza Rima consists of a series of interlocking tercets. Tercet means 3-line stanza, in which the second line of each tercet rhymes with the first and third lines of the succeeding one. Thus, ABA, BCB, CDC, DED and so on. So, what is the matter? What is the point? The second line of each tercet rhymes with the first and the third line of the next tercet. So here ABC, first tercet, the second line is B. Suppose the B rhymes with the first and third lines of the next tercet and it continues. So ABA, BCB, CDC, DED. At the end of the canto, at the end, suppose here the canto ends. A single line rhymes with the second from the last. So, a single line rhymes with the second from the last, D, E, second from the last. So, a single line will rhymes with the second from the last. So, the single line at the end is E. The rhyme is E. So, D, E. So, the rhyme scheme is ABA, BCB, CDC, DCD, ABA, BCB, CDC, DED, single line at the end, E, second from the last, that is second from the last at the end. Or if there at the end is a couplet, the same rhyme scheme will be used or will be followed. So if here is a couplet, then the rhyme scheme will be ABA, BCB, CDC, DED, EE or EE. So there is here in Terza Rima there is no fixed lines or no specific. So what will be the number of lines? So there is no limits of lines. There may be a number of lines. 12 lines, 30 lines, 40 lines. Any line, any number of lines can be there in Terza Rima. But the last line must rhymes with the second from the last. If it is couplet, the same formula. So example of Terza Rima. Example of Terza Rima. Dante, Italian poet Dante used it in his great narrative poem, in his Divine Comedy. Divine Comedy. And in English, the significant example of Terza Rima is romantic poet P.B.Shelley's Ode to the West Wind. Shelley's Ode to the West Wind is written in this stanza form or Terza Rima. Often asked, Shelley's Ode to the West Wind is written in Terza Rima, in autoparaphrase, in Spenserian stanza. So the answer will be Terza Rima. So this is all about the Terza Rima. If you find the video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.